Adding the parts list. So a parts list is a table format and it contains information about the number of items of parts, the quantity of parts, some descriptions. And so let's take a look at adding a parts list in. So if we go up to the Annotate tab and we come over here to Table, we go to Parts List. And the first thing it says select a view, and it's already highlighted. So I can select a view, so I can pick on this view, and it'll pick that particular view. Now, I can also choose by file. If I want to browse out to another source, an external source, to generate that parts list, I can do that as well. Down in my bill of materials settings and properties, I can set the view to be structured or parts only. And we're typically going to go with structured, but if it's parts only, the components of the subassembly will be displayed. All right, so I'm going to go structured, and then the level will be just the first level or all levels, and these are the structure levels of the components that will be picked. And the minimum digits is used to set the minimum digits for numbering of the components. We have a range of 1 to 6. Table wrapping, we can go left or right, and this is used when we have a large number of components and the list gets very lengthy. We can split it into 2 or 3 sections and reduce the length. And enable automatic wrap. This is when we select this and it's used for the maximum number of rows that we can put into a particular table. And so once we've set all the settings up, we say OK. I get a little error message. I'll say, do you wish to enable the BOMV, the bill of materials views? OK. At the end of my cursor is my parts list. I can place that up in the corner here, and I can zoom in on this, and you can see then it put in the item numbers, the quantity, the part number, and a description. So that's automatically placed in. Allows me to place that into a location on my drawing sheet. So we can add parts list. We add the parts list by going to Annotate, the Table, to Parts List, and we pick a view typically, and then we can place that parts list table wherever we like.